Hang a sponge on a tree and see what happens. My grandfather used this simple trick for years and never revealed his secret. Take a larger plastic bowl and pour in 1 liter of water. This will be the base of our mixture and will help the ingredients blend well. Measure out 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda helps regulate the pH and strengthens the effect of the solution. Add it to the bowl and stir gently. Then add 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic, which releases a strong aroma that affects the surrounding area and helps repel insects. The next ingredient is ground cinnamon. Add 1 tablespoon. Its intense scent complements the mixture and boosts its effectiveness. Mix everything thoroughly until you get an even solution. Prepare a regular cleaning sponge, which absorbs water well and allows the mixture to be released evenly. Dip it into the prepared solution and soak it thoroughly. Take the sponge out and gently squeeze out the excess liquid with your hands so it does not drip. Take a piece of string and tie it to one side of the sponge, then to the other. This will make the sponge stable and easy to hang. Now you can hang the prepared sponge on a tree. I hang the sponge on a tree so the aroma of the mixture can gradually protect the plants and repel insects. The scent slowly spreads around the plants, helps keep insects away, and supports keeping the garden in good condition throughout the season. It is worth hanging a sponge like this near fruit trees, bushes, or garden beds. From time to time, you can soak it again in the same mixture to keep the scent strong and make it work for as long as possible. Put it in vinegar and see how it works. Prepare a tall container and take a mosquito coil, which repels insects with its intense smell. Break it into smaller pieces so it releases its properties faster. Then pour in a little vinegar, which acts as a disinfectant and helps neutralize odors. Add a bit of alcohol, which enhances the mixture's effect and helps spread the smell through the air more quickly. Finally, add a bit of fragrance liquid, such as air freshener or fabric softener, which will give a pleasant aroma and mask the strong smell of the mixture. Mix everything well. Prepare a spray bottle and transfer the finished mixture into it. Now you can spray areas in the house, especially in the kitchen where insects often appear. In the garden, spray the areas around the entrance, the terrace, or places where you spend time to create a fragrant barrier for mosquitoes. You can also use it at doors and windows to limit the entry of insects into the house. This is an effective homemade solution for mosquitoes. An eco-friendly way to catch all the snails in your garden. Gardeners love this trick. You can make this cheap trap in just a few minutes. Start with a large bowl to prepare the mixture. The first key ingredient is all-purpose flour. Measure out 1 cup. Flour is rich in starch, which acts as both a food source and a thickener. It gives the mixture the right consistency. Pour the flour into the bowl. Then, measure 2 cups of cold tap water and add it to the flour. The water helps blend everything into a smooth mixture. Whisk well until there are no lumps. Now for the most important ingredient, yeast. During fermentation, yeast releases carbon dioxide and a strong scent that attracts snails. Add an entire packet of yeast to the bowl and stir again. Next, grab an empty container with a lid, like an old ice cream tub. Cut rectangle-shaped holes into the sides. They need to be large enough for snails to crawl through. Place the finished trap in your garden where snails are most active, around cabbage, lettuce, or strawberries, for example. Pour the yeast mixture into the container and close it with the lid. Snails are drawn to the smell of fermenting yeast. They'll crawl inside and stay there. This is a safe and effective way to catch snails without using any chemicals. You'll never see a cockroach in your home again. Pour half a cup of water into a small container and add 3 pumps of dish soap. Add a little toothpaste and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix everything well. Place this homemade mixture where you previously saw cockroaches. It will keep them far away. Here's an American trick for ants, and it works fast. If you want to get rid of them from your garden or home, this simple and budget-friendly mixture is all you need. Grab an empty plastic bottle and cut off the bottom to create a shallow container. It shouldn't be too deep. Using a soldering iron or something similar, poke a few small holes around the lower part of the bottle. This step is important, so pay attention. Ants are a common issue, especially in spring and summer. In the garden, they can cause a lot of damage. Now for the key ingredients. Baking soda neutralizes the acids in ants' bodies and disrupts their digestion. Add 5 teaspoons of baking soda into the bottle. Next, the bait. Powdered sugar attracts ants with its strong, sweet scent. Add 5 teaspoons of powdered sugar to the mix. Pour in a little water and stir until it forms a pourable paste. Thanks to the holes, ants will easily find their way in. Place the trap where you see them most often. You can also pour a bit of the mixture next to the bottle. Watch how quickly it draws them in. It's an effective way to get rid of ants for good. This is how you catch all the mosquitoes in your garden and home. My grandma showed me a brilliantly simple trap that works surprisingly well. All you need is a regular bucket. Pour in about 1 quart of warm water. Then add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. As it starts to ferment, it releases carbon dioxide, which is exactly what attracts mosquitoes. Next, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and stir until it fully dissolves. The sugar feeds the yeast and boosts the reaction. To make the trap even more effective, add a tablespoon of dish soap. This lowers the surface tension, so when mosquitoes land, they can't escape and will drown. Place the bucket inside a larger cardboard box. Don't seal it completely. Leave a small gap so insects can fly in. Set the trap outside where mosquitoes are most active. In the garden, on the patio, or near a gazebo. Ever since I started using this trick, evenings outdoors have been peaceful again. Try making one yourself and see how well it works. Put cinnamon in the dish soap. This combination even surprised me. Prepare a pot and pour half a liter of water into it. Then take 2 cinnamon sticks and drop them in. Place the pot on the stove and simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing the cinnamon to release its aroma and properties. Now, pour the contents into a bowl and remove the cinnamon sticks. Next, add the dish soap, which effectively removes grease and dirt, leaving surfaces clean. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which helps dissolve the grime and boosts the mixture's effectiveness. Mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients combine. Prepare a spray bottle and use a funnel to pour the solution into it. Cap it, and you've got a homemade spray that will solve a specific problem in the summer. Spray it on the kitchen countertop, cabinets, bathroom tiles, or even outdoor furniture. Finish by wiping everything down with a microfiber cloth, which leaves no streaks and perfectly completes the job. With this mixture, you'll not only clean surfaces thoroughly, but also make these areas free of insects or bugs. The cinnamon scent is unpleasant for many insects, creating a natural scent barrier that bugs are reluctant to cross.